Hello guys, I am back with another makeup and nails tutorial. One of my nails did break off and I don't know why I don't film these when my nails are fresh, but I am starting off with my brows on and I do have a bit of foundation on my forehead. So we're going to go ahead and hop into the tutorial. I'm going to start off with just priming my eyes. I wanted to do my eyes first because we are doing another graphic eyeliner, and if I did mess up anything it would be easier to rub it off if I did my eyes first. Then I'm going to go into the shadow here from the Jason Wu palette. It is a very light transition shadow. I would say it's probably just one shade darker than my skin tone. So I'm just going to sweep that into my crease using windshield wiping motions. And this is really just going to work as a base color and just to add a slight definition to our eyes. I'm then going to take a white liquid liner. This one is from ColourPop. It's in the shade Graceland. And I'm going to start mapping out my graphic wing, and you will see here that I do wipe off the wing just because I wanted it more on an angle, and that's the whole reason why I wanted to do my eyes first, just because of these little mistakes and you can't tell, so it's easier to fix when you do your eyes first. So that's what I'm doing here. I was inspired by a couple of things for this graphic white eyeliner, mainly inspired by Ariana Grande. I think she wore something a little similar in her music video Rain on Me with Lady Gaga, and I'm just making sure I am drawing the graphic liner above my crease so that way when I do look up you can see the wing still, the graphic eyeliner still, and I'm just going over that white just to really build it up. I think my eyeliner is going bad because it does start crackling, so I do have a backup one and I have replaced this one now, but it still works. It just takes a bit of time to really build up that opaque white. But as you can see here, I am just sharpening up the wing, and I do take a little bit onto my lash line as well. But now for the hard part is to match it on the other eye, and it's a little hard for me to even match. That's hard on its own, but my eyelids were pretty uneven when I was filming this video, so it was a little hard to get them even, but I think I did an okay job. I'm quite happy with how it turned out, considering, that my eyes were uneven, but I really like how they turned out and I don't think they looked too bad. But we are pretty much just repeating the same step. An easy way to simplify this look is just to create an outer wing and then just draw it in your crease. Alright, now I'm just taking these pearl stickers and I'm just going to stick one small pearl at my inner corners, and I feel like this matches my nails really well, like the simple graphic liner, and with the one pearl there I think it matches really well and I really like the final look. But anyway, I'm going to go in with my black liquid liner. I'm just going to use this to line my lash line towards the inner third and towards the middle. Now blend that into the white graphic liner. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then my falsies, and that's the reason why I did want to add a bit of black onto my lash line so that way my lashes could blend in a little bit better. And the lashes I'm wearing are Birdie from Petite Cosmetics. You can use my code JUDY to save 10% off your order. Now just moving back onto the face, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just going to blend that into my skin with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer brush. My skin has been quite bad recently. I don't want to talk about it, so let's just ignore it. I think the lighting does help a little bit, but I do have a lot of texture recently and it's bringing back bad memories from when I had really bad acne, so hopefully it does clear up. But I'm just going in with my foundation now. This one is the Pretty Fresh foundation from ColourPop, and I'm just going to blend that in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. And now going in with my Too Faced concealer, I'm going to use this to further conceal up my blemishes and then conceal my dark circles as well. And then just taking my setting powder, I'm just going to use this to set my under eyes and also my cheek area, and I'll just dabble a little bit of this kind of all over my face, but I do go in with my pressed powder very lightly just to set everything in place. And I'm just going to go back into that Jason Wu eyeshadow, and I'm going to run that all over my lower lash line just to give a bit of definition. And speaking of definition, I'm going to go in with my Milani bronzer just to define my cheeks a little bit and just to bring back a little bit of life to my face. Then going in with blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Bite Size Blush Duo in the shade Lychee, and I'm just going to apply that blusher to the apples on my cheeks, and I kind of blend that into my bronzer as well. As for highlighter, I am taking Fuego from Dose of Colors, and I'm just going to apply that to the tops of my cheekbones. And then for my lip color, I am wearing the Cosmetics Infinite Lip Cloud in the shade Magic Hour, and I think this is the perfect lip color for this look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look inspired by my nails. I love how this look turned out. I find it very minimal and simple, but still very impactful at the same time. And as you can see, I did add those extra pearls onto my fingers just to give you the entire pearl vibe and look. But this video was so much fun to film. I really enjoyed it. I love filming makeup tutorials. I am sorry about the lighting though. It was a really bad lighting day, so hopefully you guys can see past that and you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know what you guys think down below. Also, if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, give the video a thumbs up as well. I would really appreciate it. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!